Hi everyone, it's Beth, and tonight I have some updates for you on some of the programs that I've been talking about, and I also have something new for you. But first, let me remind you that I am not a financial advisor. I am merely a hobby investor, and I'm sharing with you what I'm doing on my own passive income journey here in the cryptoverse. So please do take this information and weigh it against information from a whole host of other sources. Never invest anything more than you're willing to lose, and always diversify. You never want to be overexposed in any one position. I really like to take micro positions and spread them around so that, if one does really well, that's fantastic. I can be covered all over the board. And if one doesn't do well, that's okay because it was just a small portion of my portfolio. So those are my rules. And I certainly think that there is a lot of potential upside here in this corner of the cryptoverse. These lending platform ICOs have been going so well. So I certainly think there's a lot of potential here. There's certainly also a lot of risk. You never know anybody's true intentions, but I think that certainly I am having a good time over here, and that is what's most important to me. So let's go ahead and jump in here and start with something new, and that is NeoConnect and BitConnect, ETHConnect, NeoConnect. I was really hoping LTC Connect, Light Connect would be next, but it's NeoConnect. Kind of appropriate on a day when Neo is doing so very well for itself over on CoinMarketCap. But here is NeoConnect today, and it looks very much like Homeblock coin to me. So when I went to this, and even on the first login page, which I don't think I have open right now, sorry, but it looks, it's just the box with a link to register, login, or a link to the white paper. I mean, it's very basic. It definitely reminds me of what Homeblock looked like even just a week or so ago before they updated their site. So I do think that this is a work in progress, and quite frankly, the white paper says as much, that this is a work in progress. But the back office here, the dashboard, looks very much like Homeblock. Here's the deposit if you want to, when you want to deposit BTC, it looks like, or you can deposit ETH, and of course Neo if you want to contribute here. So this is just on the dashboard. You can deposit. There's also the buy NEOC for the ICO, and you can also sign up as a team partner. So the ICO does not start for I believe it is until December 5th, but I definitely wanted to bring this to your attention now. So let's go ahead and take a look at the white paper, because I mean, there really isn't too much here right now. There's deposit, there's a wallet over here. The 2FA, I will say, is listed down here, but it is listed as enabling soon. So I know that everyone wants to enable 2FA as soon as possible. They do have that in the works. So that's really great to see already. This is the deposit section. If you want to come over here to deposit your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, or your Neo. And let's look here at the white paper. So this, like I said, this is available from the NeoConnect.io page. There's a link there to the white paper, and here it is. NeoConnect, the next big thing. This is not the final version of the NeoConnect white paper. There won't be any significant changes, but we will add more information as soon as possible. So NeoConnect is a decentralized, self-regulated financial payment network created for users, independent from third parties. It's a cryptocurrency. Okay. So its specifications are NEOC. There's going to be a total supply of 15 million. That is very low. So I do like that very much. That definitely lends to a an ecosystem or economy that's based around deflation rather than inflation, and that is something that is very attractive. So I like that, the low coin supply. So there's going to be 9 million coins sold in the ICO. That's kind of a lot. They're selling more than half of the coins during the ICO. There are going to be 18 decimals for this coin, and the ICO does start the 5th of December. So during round 1, a NeoC coin or token, I guess, will cost you $1, and then they will give you a 15% bonus. In round 2, they're just going to be $1, no bonus. In the ICO distribution of funds is 60% for investors, 20% staking bonus, 10% marketing and bounty, and 10% server and maintenance. So lending will be, this is your basic lending platform that they are creating here. So no fixed daily interest rate can be guaranteed. The maximum interest rate is 60% per month on your investment. When the contract expires, the investment fund will be returned in accordance with the terms and conditions. So let's take a look here at the chart. The minimum loan is going to be at $100 and up to $1,000. That's going to get you just the volatility software interest payments with your capital back after 229 days. $1,001 to $5,000 is going to get you a bump of 0.15 with your capital back after 169 days. $5,001 to $10,000 is going to get you a 0.3 bump. These are high. These are really, really generous bumps on these on these daily interest payments for every one of these levels. They are really, really high. So, but $5,000 to $10,000, that's a 0.3 bump. Capital back after 120 days. And then $10,001 to $100,000 is going to get you a 0.5% bump every day and your capital back after 99 days. That is the highest I have seen so far. And very, very competitive length of term also. Okay, they also have a very, very competitive affiliate bonus structure here. So if you are going to be building a team, then you will be getting 15% on your level 1, 8% on level 2, 5% on level 3, and residual bonus from lending. So that's a daily bonus, I believe. That is 5% on level 1, 2% on level 2, and 1% on level 3. Again, this is a very, very generous program. As well as the staking. So with the staking program of NeoConnect, you're able to earn daily interest. And during the first global event that they're going to be having in May of 2018, they're going to introduce Neo Gold. So for every one NeoC that you have, we will airdrop 2 NEOG worth $25 each. That's really, really high. I almost feel like they must have written that backwards. So, but that's what it's written here. Okay, but here is the duration. So for the first 6 months, you're going to be getting 8% a month for staking. The second 6 months is going to be 6%. Then the third is 4%, then 3%. Then the final the fifth 6 months here is listed at 2% per month for staking interest. All right, so the roadmap is website launch in November. Registration starts now. And then the ICO will start November 5th with a coin costing $1. The internal exchange is set to open on January 1st and with a price of $10 when it is listed. And then a listing on CoinMarketCap with the external exchange coming in February, a price target of $25 there. A global event in May with the Neo Gold airdrop. Once again, there it does say 1 NEOC will get you 2 NEOG. So that's crazy generous right there. That's what that is. Tell me what you guys think about that. are the terms to this too good? Is this too good to be true? Or is this just because this is so competitive, this is what we're getting in this space right now? Because it is, I gotta say, this is so very competitive, and I do think that as each one comes down the pike, you know, they are definitely going to want to and need to find a way to stand head and shoulders above the crowd. So oh my goodness, the terms that they have laid out here in this white paper for this program are very generous. So is that competition or too good to be true? You tell me what you think. If it's competition, oh my goodness, I love competition, you know, and that's true. So there we go, because these are really attractive terms. All right, so let's see. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to skip the rest of this. By August, they would like to see a price target of $100, and then in January of 2019, they want to have a debit card price target of $300. Offline implementation in Q4 of 2019 with a price target of $500, and by Q1 of 2020, they want to see $1,000 price target. So that is a really long roadmap for the cryptoverse, which definitely lives in like dog years. So I don't know, but this is what's here. All right, so healthy community. Investments are always risky. You should read all the details. Register directly on the website of NeoConnect by yourself. Do not believe in other people. There's scammers out there. Be safe. All that stuff. So then they have links to their social media, and they do have a Facebook. They have a Facebook page, they have a Twitter page, they have a Telegram, an Instagram page, and have a Bitcoin Talk thread. So welcome on board. Let's take a peek. We've already looked at the dashboard, so let's take a peek over here at the Twitter. Okay. So here is their Twitter page. There's 56 tweets here already. You know, it's all the basic information they have posted here, and they do say that they are having a bonus. So if you start referring and registration now, only valid until December 1st, you're supposed to be getting a credit of 1 NEOC to the person referring and 2 NEOC to the person using the link. But I'll say I did not get any coins when I logged in, and I did use the link from someone on Team Crypto who did provide me with this link in the Discord channel, in the Team Crypto Discord channel. So like I said before, I do try to get my links from you guys, and you know, first come first serve. So there were quite a few of you who did bring this one to me, and thank you to everyone who has been participating in the community. It has been really awesome. Also, while I'm talking about communities, not to get sidetracked, but I just want to give a shout out to Crypto Freedom, who has been doing a great job running a Telegram room. There's also a Facebook group, and he's been doing a great job. And he called the Bitcoin Cash Pump. Prior to the Bitcoin Cash Pump, he called Lisk. And you know, I've really been enjoying the community that has been going on here. This will be a paid community, and he is giving this away for free, I believe, still right now. It actually may have just gone to paid, and I'm not sure. But if you do want to check it out, I will leave a link to the Telegram and to his Facebook group so that you guys can check it out. So, or at the very least, one of them, because I'm sure there's links to all of them here. I'll probably just leave a link to the Telegram. Okay, but I'm really enjoying it. He's doing a great job, and I just wanted to say thank you for his participation. He's definitely been a great commenter in my comment section here in YouTube, and part of the community that we have been building here. So, you know, thank you to him. Thank you to everyone, really, who's been a part of the community. It's been fantastic, but this is one particular group member who he's out here. He has his own YouTube channel, and I really am enjoying the content coming from Crypto Freedom. So do check him out. Here's the NeoConnect let's go back here to NeoConnect now that we're on the Telegram. Here is their Telegram page, and again, they have been updating this. There is all the technical information that they have on the white paper and links to all their social media and updates coming here on the Telegram too. So they do also have a Bitcoin talk thread, which I opened somewhere, but I must have closed. Sorry. But it's there too. And I'm sure if I want to open it, there it is. So there it is. There's only one page here, but they do have this open, and it is an official ANN thread. So feel free to come and check that one out. And it does, I mean, I feel like there's a lot of hype around this one already, guys. I'm definitely going to take a position in it. And I mean, boy, I hope it is easier to get coins for than ETHConnect was. So, or Homeblock is. So those are the two things it reminds me of. Okay, so moving on, let's talk about Falcon Coin, because the ICO for Falcon Coin is over. And it went really, really fast. I'm definitely not surprised by that, considering the strength that the team did show with dealing with, you know, the site being compromised and coming back from that. You know, I certainly think that they earned a lot of points with a lot of people as far as taking the risk with, you know, investing here in Falcon Coin. If you missed out on the ICO, you will be able to buy coins from the internal exchange sooner than you think, because they did make a post here. Oh, that's the Facebook for the other one. Here's the Facebook for Falcon Coin. They did make a post that they are going to be opening the lending platform in 24 to 36 hours. And then they are planning the internal exchange will launch about 7 days after the lending is live. And I have heard that they are intending to, when the price opens on the exchange, so that will be next week, that they will have the price start at $1.05, which was the final price for the ICO. So if you get there really quick, right when this launches on the exchange, then you will still be able to get a really, really great price on Falcon Coin. And do remember that what really sets Falcon Coin apart here is that Falcon Coin is going to let you aggregate your loans. And also, which means they all stack on top of each other. So when you're reaching for those daily bonuses, you get to make one big pile and reach towards a bonus with your pile. So that is really nice. And also they are letting you reinvest every dollar. So you get to really start growing your pile much, much quicker, because you get to compound so frequently. So I do think that Falcon is really, I know I certainly have a position in Falcon, and I am very much looking forward to watching this one as it launches. I think that there is lots of competition in this market, and competition is very exciting. So I am really excited to watch this one as it comes live. Ooh, it's so much fun. Speaking of coming live, so Gold Reward is on CoinMarketCap. Yay! So I'm loving Gold Reward. It's doing great. Here, I just refreshed the price. It was $4.20. Now it's $4.01. But the price has been holding pretty steady at around 0.12, 0.13 ETH today. So here's the chart since they put it on here. If we come over, here is Ether Delta. If you do want to trade them, this is where it is available now. And you can see that here is, 0.12, that's what's selling right now. As far as the depth chart goes, there's not a lot of people trying to get rid of coins down at this price, though. Like, if you want to start actually buying coins from people, there's a pretty big wall here at 0.15 being the price that people are starting to be more comfortable with getting rid of their GRX tokens. Personally, I do not have any GRX tokens over here that I'm trying to get rid of. I may use some of this ETH that I have sitting over here on Ether Delta just to go ahead and pick up some more, because I think that $4 for a gold reward token is still a pretty good price. And oh my goodness, was that a difficult ICO to get into. So very good things coming here from gold reward. All right, and there's also good things over here at Xchanger. The price is still holding really strong today, and that is fantastic to see. So here we are at 27.77. We really, we met resistance at $30. We had a bit of a pullback. It took a bounce after that pullback, and it has been consolidating. So there's going to be news coming from Xchanger. So here they posted on their Facebook today, the first update in days, that thank you every member for overwhelmingly supporting Xchanger. We will continuously develop the Xchanger, protect your capital, and increase the return on investment. Get ready for our latest special promotion soon. Thank you for your patience and staying beside us. We are Revolution Xchanger. So here it is, this price over here, this is consolidating. If there's big news coming, generally after consolidation, a price generally breaks up or down. If there's positive news coming, or the speculation of positive news really is generally what does it. It is buy the rumor, sell the news. So if there's rumor of good news coming for Hextra, we may very well see the price break upwards after this consolidation period. Of course, I am not a financial advisor, but I'm just telling you the things I'm thinking about. So that's one of them. All right. Over here, Western Coin is still doing their lending competition, and the price of a Western coin has been holding pretty strong today. So I am certainly happy here. I always press login too quickly. Okay, over here at Western Coin, the price of a Western coin is holding pretty strong today. And the lending competition is going on, and there's pretty good competition going on here. I'm falling pretty far down though, down here at number 11. So I'm gonna keep watching though. They're gonna close this week's competition off on Sunday. So hopefully some people on my team will make some more loans, because I already made a $15,000 loan before they even started the competition, so it doesn't even get counted in my tally for the week, which is kind of a bummer. But oh well, I'm still really happy with how this is going, and the competition is pretty fun. So I'm happy to see Western Coin kind of marketing a little bit, because honestly, I think if there were some more hype coming from Western Coin, we would be seeing more price action coming from Western Coin, but there really hasn't been. So as it is, I think that the price has really been great. I mean, I would love to see it go up more, but from just a trader's perspective, there's been really good volatility in this market. It has really just kind of ping-ponged between down here, like about, I'd say 19,000 Satoshi and like 27,000 Satoshi. So, if you play that up and down, like there's a fair amount of profit that you can make doing that. So Western has definitely presented a lot of profit opportunities since it did launch, and now it's having a fun lending competition to keep track of. All right. So Regal Coin, its price is not doing that well today. Well, it doesn't really matter what's on the site. Let's go look at it on the exchange. That's the important stuff anyway. So here it is. The last price is 0.00625. That's like around $42. Again, this coin market cap link here, the widget down here, appears to be broken. If anybody's is working and it's just mine, maybe you can tell me if there's like a way to refresh this. But for me, that doesn't appear to be working. But I do think that this is right around $42 from the last time I looked at it. So that's really been coming down. Now, I don't know what to think about Regal Coin. I guess I'm really just showing you that the price is retracing quite a bit here with Regal Coin, quite a bit. So if it's down below 0.0005, I actually have some standing buy orders down here because that is really, really quite low compared to where it has been. And I will say, I mean, Regal has been paying. I don't know if they have everyone's accounts unlocked at this point, but I do know that they have been working on it. So, I'm not surprised as more people have come out that we've seen the price come down because people have had their coins locked up for a month. So, now that they have access to them, there's certainly those who are selling them quickly, if for no other reason than Regal locked them up for a month and didn't really communicate about it. So, I think we'll definitely start to see this come back up when those sale rushes are over. I think, that's just speculation though, but that's my speculation for Regal Coin right now. Credence Coin, on the other hand, has been doing really well. So the price today had a nice little run up, and it corrected, but look at this market volume that came in and really supported the price here at 0.0035. So, or I guess that was probably a little less than that, 0.0032. So, now it is up from that a little more at 0.0034, and the price, it has been really strong. I'm really encouraged to see this just edging upwards. So that's great. I'm loving Credence Coin. I'm loving my staking, and I'm really, really excited for the platform to open up. Again, the platform is expected on the 29th, so that is coming up soon. And I will be giving away 10 Credence Coin at the end of this video. So if you are interested in Credence Coin, hang on because I'm getting to it. All right. So next up here is, let's talk about all these ICOs that are happening. So right now is Chromium. There's an ICO window, like literally right now, right as I'm talking, they're selling coins. So this says here that they have 855,000 coins left to sell during this ICO window, but I don't think that that's true. And now it says 837,000. But on their Telegram today, when they made this 30-cent sale, because the 30-cent sale actually was not set out in their white paper. It was set to be a 20-cent pre-sale and then a 40-cent ICO with 1 million coins, the first round of the ICO. But here on the Telegram this morning, they posted that they were going to take, because there were so many people who wanted to get coins and didn't, they decided to take 500,000 coins from the million coins for round 2 of the ICO. They took 500,000 coins and sold them at 30 cents instead of at 40 cents, which was very nice. And that sale happened this afternoon. It sold out really, really quickly. But right now, it is listing on the site that they're selling 1 million coins during tonight's ICO. I think, though, that it might actually only be 500,000 coins because, like I just showed you, that their Telegram did say that they took 500,000 coins from this sale and sold them this afternoon. So I think that this counter is incorrect and that there really is more like 337,000 coins left today, and not in the of the 40-cent round, and not 837,000 coins. That's just what I think, based on what I have read. So in any case, if you do want to get 40-cent tokens, you should do that really, really quickly because this is selling out very, very quickly. So is this like the greatest one out there? No, I don't think it is. I mean, I think that Davor looks great. I think Ucoin Cash looks great. I think this one looks, it looks okay. It doesn't have it. The roadmap could definitely look better. There are a lot of inconsistencies. The sponsorship section is kind of strange, but I do think that this kind of looks like it's someone's maybe first attempt at putting together a site and launching a platform like this. So it felt like it was worth taking a a micro position to me. You know, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm a firm believer in diversification. So this has been a part of my diversification plan because 20-cent coins have a lot of room for upward movement, and it was worth it to me to take a small position. If it works out, I will be thrilled, and if it doesn't, then you know, that was a risk that I knew whenever I decided to put my money over here on the platform. Okay, so next up, let's talk about Crypto Xchanger because tomorrow's the big day. We have Crypto Xchanger, we have Davor, we have Ucoin Cash. These are all three very difficult to get and will sell out quickly. Ucoin Cash and Davor will sell out more quickly than Crypto Xchanger, but this one I do believe will sell out very quickly also. And just a note, when you do come over here and sign into Crypto Xchanger, there is a notice here. You'll remember that there were a bunch of people who deposited into their investment program thinking that they were just depositing money to use for the ICO. And it was just an honest mistake. And as it was an honest mistake, the people behind Crypto Xchanger did decide to let people cancel their investments if it was a mistake that they didn't really want to invest in it. So if you are one of those people and you do want to cancel your investment, you can still do that until the 23rd of December. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is just go over to my investments and there's a little button there that says cancel. So if you want out, they're going to let you out, and all they will do is just deduct any payments that they've already given you from your initial balance. So they're not going to charge you any fees, and it's really, really a stand-up move from the people behind Crypto Xchanger. So I really appreciate that. Again, their sale is going to be tomorrow. You do not send your BTC in ahead of time. You just need to be here and be logged in and tell them how many coins you want. They're going to give you a receive address and an exact amount of Bitcoin to send. Once you send it from your wallet and it is received, by the block, received by the miners as a transaction that they need to confirm, then as soon as they're made aware that this transaction exists, they will lock those coins and hold them for you. Once your BTC is confirmed into the blockchain, they're going to go ahead and send those coins over to you in your wallet. So that's how that one works. It is different from Davor, where you must send your BTC in ahead of time. Really, do it like way ahead of time. I have had a Bitcoin transaction that has been pending for 13 hours already today. So if you want to participate in Davor and you do not already have some crypto on the platform, you need to do it now. You need to send your transaction because tomorrow is the last round of the ICO for Davor. That's it. After this one, it's $1.20 tomorrow. That's going to be it. Then by December 6th, prior to December 6th at this point, they have said they're going to launch early. They will have their lending platform up and available. If you want to see pictures of what the platform is going to look at, do check in on yesterday's video. I did show a sneak peek there. Okay, so again, this is tomorrow at 11 a.m. So don't miss it. This is going to go so fast. Just a reminder, here's my trick for this one. When you're over here, you're going to want to wait until this is like 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 or 5 seconds, 5 seconds probably. Click over to the wallet. Then once you click back, you're going to keep counting in your head. At 2 seconds, once you get it 2 seconds in your head, click ICO crowd sale again. Once it loads this window, there should be a buy button here instead of this countdown. Know how many coins you have enough Bitcoin to buy. There's not going to be a buy max button. There is going to be a limit of 1,000 coins for tomorrow's sale. So good luck, everyone. Yep, if you want to participate, there's a referral link in the description box for the video if you would like to join my team. And of course, I would appreciate it if you did. Okay, next up is Ucoin Cash. This one's also tomorrow. Coins are going to be 82 cents. This one went so fast. And they did release this after the first ICO kind of summary, which they have posted over here on their site. I believe it's in their news section. And it's really nice. It goes over why they use 2 CAPTCHAs, and it's really to say, they're doing that to protect everyone from bots coming in and scooping up all the coins. So why did they only sell 100,000 coins? To keep whales who are very experienced in how to come in and make a quick purchase in an ICO from coming in and doing just that, while someone who doesn't have all that experience is trying to figure out how they navigate this sale. So they are starting off with a small amount of coins, and they'll be increasing that as the sale goes on so that people can acquire some experience and get speedier at submitting their orders, so that there'll be more coins as people get more experience. That was the idea behind that one. Why wasn't CAPTCHA displayed during the purchase? Basically, it was they were already sold out. So if you didn't get your CAPTCHA, then it was really already sold out. And why is the service unavailable? Well, they just had so many people on their site that it was just too much for them to handle, despite all of the limiting that they did. So they really did try to make it run smoothly, but it was so many people who showed up for this. So make sure if you are going to participate in Ucoin Cash, again, that you have your Bitcoin or your ETH. They do accept ETH for Ucoin Cash. I did send over some ETH that I'm going to be trying to buy with. I have 2 ETH over here. So I would recommend that you use ETH if you have not already sent in your crypto for this sale, just because the Bitcoin network is slow. So if you want to make sure that you're going to get your coins over here in time, send ETH, and you have until tomorrow. So good luck tomorrow with that one. Again, the price is going to be 82 cents. So here's hoping that everyone gets all the CAPTCHA requirements that they need and get their purchase of Ucoin Cash tomorrow. All right, everyone. Well, that is everything that I have for you. If you do want to participate in any of the programs that I've been talking about, then by all means, oh, it's not all. Oh my goodness, I've got to give you some coins. Okay. All right, everyone. Next up is my coin giveaway. All right, here we are. Let's load the URL from yesterday's video and take it over here to the random comment picker. We'll reload this from yesterday so that I can put in this new URL. We'll see who wins 10 Credence coin. So I'm giving away 10 Credence coin every day until the 29th, when the Credence coin platform is supposed to be launching. So I'm very excited. Do keep in mind that if you win these coins, after you receive them, they will be mature and staking in your wallet after only 2 hours. So all you need to do to participate in the drawing here is you need to like the video, you need to subscribe to my channel, and you are going to need to leave a comment in the comment section for the video, and make sure that you leave your Credence coin receive address so that I can send you 10 Credence coin if you are the winner. So let's go ahead and find out who the winner is going to be today. Okay, AI5668 says, thanks for another great video. He waited until he finished work to buy his coins, but it was too late for the pre-ICO. So then he did give a Credence coin receive address and did ask me what made me get into crypto. So what made me get into crypto? Well, I was looking for an alternative to the fiat banking system and something that was more decentralized and, more from the bottom up than something that was imposed from the top down. And we found Bitcoin and we we had some mining rigs put together and started mining coins a long time ago. I was in 2014, and it has been great. So, you know, we had some coins from way back then, and we really started, you know, putting them to work for us this year in 2017, and it has been quite an amazing journey. So I've really been enjoying it. I've been enjoying sharing it with you all and the community that support that I've been receiving. So thank you all very much. I actually think my channel just went to 5,000 subscribers. So thank you all so very much for your contributions and for taking your time to pay attention to me on this journey. It's really been fun. I hope you're enjoying following along. So thank you everyone. All right, well, that is it for tonight, everyone. If you would like to participate in any of the programs that I've been talking about, then by all means, do grab a referral link out of the description box for the video. If you'd like to see more from me, then please do subscribe to the channel. And if you liked the video, then please leave a like for me. I would appreciate that. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. If you do want to have a chance to get some free Credence coin, then make sure that you do leave your receive address in the comment section and like the video for me. All right. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for your time tonight, and I'll see you next time.